Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akanksha and I do fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Today's video is going to be about a review of one of the products which you can see right here, but you might not be able to see what exactly is this. And this is Pilgrim. It's an Indian brand. I got these products from them, from Pilgrim India. It's a brand collaboration again, and from the caption you already know what the video is about, so I think I just wasted a few seconds of telling what the video is about. But yeah, anyways, most fascinating thing about it that it is actually containing the secrets of Jeju Island, Korea. It's basically based on Korean formulations. Second fascinating thing about this product is that it does not contain any sulfates, parabens and no minerals or toxics at all. It's cruelty free. That is what I always look for in a skincare product. I got these 4 skincare products from Pilgrim India. The first thing is, as soon as I opened the package was really very cute. I will show you right here how it was. The first product that I started using right after I opened the package was this face mist and toner. It has this bottle inside, and I am actually using it thrice a day. I just am loving this product. Whenever I feel like I'm not, whenever I feel like I'm tired or I'm not looking that fresh, this instantly makes me fresh. And I just love the packaging of all the 4 products. I'll show you one by one. So basically this face mist and toner, it's called White Lotus Natural Face Mist and Toner. It actually contains camellia and witch hazel, and all the good things are written in the back. And the most important thing in this particular Indian brand, they have their Pilgrim code, which says 100% vegan, cruelty free, tested by friends and family, and it has no sulfate, no parabens and no toxic 20 chemicals which are really harmful for your skin, and it's approved as well. So these are the 6 things that make their Pilgrim code, and they have mentioned about this in every packaging. You will see it in the back of the bottle or the container. So the second thing that I have got is, this is their vitamin C night serum, and I just love this cute little man right here. Pilgrim. I love the name as well. You can use this one. So basically I am going to show you the texture and how actually they look on your skin, and it is really a night vitamin C serum for especially when you're sleeping. It contains hyaluronic acid, which is highly recommended for your skin, and it has White Lotus, and all the benefits are written in the back. And everything about this product, the website, where to buy these products, to know more about their products, to know more about their Pilgrim code, I'm going to put everything in the description box. So when you're clicking this video, and with the packaging I also received this small booklet which has everything about their brand and which products actually they are having right now, so you can choose according to what you exactly need. And yeah, the other thing that I received is, and the packaging is actually very cute. If you see the dabba of this, it's so cute, and in every box they have this booklet. And this is Shea and Cocoa body butter, which you can use after you have taken a fresh bath. Happy with this particular product because it is highly recommended for keeping your skin really soft and moisturized all over your body. And again, they have their Pilgrim code, which is these 6 things, and it contains very good moisturizing ingredients, which is written on the box, so you can have a look for that as well. Volcanic lava ash body scrub, and it contains Yug Dugu and White Lotus, and all these products are actually based on Korean formulations, as I mentioned, and all the Korean beauty secrets are going to be in this particular brand, the Pilgrim India. And everything is made in India. All the packaging and all the ingredients and how they made it, everything is done in India itself. So this is how it is. Now I'm going to show you the texture of 4 things. I'm going to open the bottles one by one, and then I'm going to apply on my face, except for the scrub. I'm just going to show you a little bit how it looks, and yeah, let's move on to that. First thing, the face mist. It's a spray bottle, and I'm just going to show you the texture of it on face. as you can see right here, it gives a shiny look and gets absorbed into your skin very quickly, which I really loved about it. And I just wish you could smell this product. It's like you are in some Ayurvedic spa. I just fell in love with this. I think so far from all the products I've used for skincare, this mist is so far my favorite and very effective, I would say. Then coming to the serum, it's only for night. You can use it before sleeping. It is actually for better moisturizing of your skin, hydrating of your skin, and it gives glow. And you have to take very just 1 or 2 drops of this product, because it really spreads. I've taken like 1.5 drop of it, and it's going to spread evenly on your face. So if you can just see this, I don't even have to take another drop of it because it's covering all my half of my face. So, and see the shine. And vitamin C, guys, it's very important for your skin, especially when they have hyaluronic acid in it. It's going to just give a natural glow on your skin. I'm not even kidding. When I came to Jammu in this lockdown, my skin was really messed up, but I really took care of it, and I actually ordered when I came here. If you remember from that COVID-19 travel vlog, what I exactly did was I ordered a lot of things for skincare, and I ordered vitamin C serums because I know that these are the ones which are going to save my skin right now. And luckily they have this beautiful vitamin C serum which I can't stop praising about, because see the shine on my face and how smooth it is. The only thing is it's a little oily, but just when you're applying it, and I think that's the beauty of it, because when you apply it and you sleep, the next day when you wake up, you're going to just look into yourself in the mirror and you will be like, oh my god. Because I actually felt that when I used it for 2-3 nights continuously, when I was waking up in the morning, I looked up into mirror and I was like, oh my god, my skin is so naturally glowing. Like, I was really happy. And you just can see, I'm just not telling you because I got these products. Again, I'm mentioning I always choose those products for collaborations which are going to be good for everybody's skin. And this serum actually I would say it's preferable for dry skin, and if you have combination skin, then this product is going to help you. My personal experience, if you have oily skin, I would say not to use this product, but the mist is for all skin types for sure. And this is how this product is. So do I even need like foundation or makeup or anything? And the most important thing of skincare is, I love makeup, but if your skin is not prepped well, the makeup will not look good. You have to take care of your skin, the base for your makeup, and you are going to love your makeup. And I think this serum is really nice, moisturizing, and so glowy. I am really happy with this. Like, I just took 2 drops, full face is covered, like my face is so big, but I'm really happy with this. And now I'm going to show you the body butter, which is shea and cocoa. Shea is really good for your skin, and this is how it looks. Actually, it looks like homemade butter. It smells good. It looks like homemade butter for sure. And I'm just going to show you. You just have to take little amount. It will cover entire my arm, like not entire, like half of my arm. So sticky at all, and it smells nice. Really very nice. After your bath, definitely go for this beautiful butter. If you are looking for something which is very natural, which is going to actually be beneficial for your skin, all over your body, then definitely go for this shea and cocoa body butter from Pilgrim India. I would highly recommend this. I actually am going to recommend you all the products that I have received because all are equally good, but the mist is my favorite for sure. I'm so biased towards the toner and mist. Okay, so Volcanic Lava Ash Body Scrub that I'm going to show you, and this actually came like this. It's like, when I opened it, to be very honest with you, I was like, what exactly is this? But the beauty of it is, when I actually took it, you can actually take a container, put it in water, little bit of water, mix it, and then apply all over your body. And that time I got to know that you don't have to go on the look of the product, but when you use it, it's really very nice. It actually helps in removing the dead skin from your body. It's going to exfoliate your body, which is very good. You should add up scrubs in your bath. It's very important. I'm going to smell this. So it actually smells like जो लोग जम्मू से उन्हें झज्जर कोटली पता है ना, तो जम्मू वाले लोगों को पता लग जाएगा कैसी, जब झज्जर कोटली जाओ. झज्जर कोटली इज बेसिकली अ फ्लोइंग रिवर तवी, एंड इट हैज दैट काइंड ऑफ सम नेचुरल काइंड ऑफ स्मेल, जो बिल्कुल सेम मुझे ऐसे फीलिंग आती है इससे. और बाकी जो लोग देख रहे हैं तो इट्स लाइक अ फ्लोइंग रिवर एंड यूर जस्ट सिटिंग नेक्स्ट टू इट, एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ feeling you will get when you use this. So it's really amazing. Basically all these products are like you are sitting in a Ayurvedic spa, and it's going to be really a good experience. So these are the things that are basically I wanted to talk about and give my reviews. These are my personal honest reviews about this Pilgrim India brand, and I'm really very glad that I got the opportunity to collaborate with Pilgrim India, and I got the opportunity actually to try these products on my face. And I think Pilgrim India is going to be one of my go-to skincare when it comes to toners and serums and even body butters and this scrub. I was using one scrub before as well, that is also nice, but I think this one just took my heart away, and I'm going to just keep on using this. And yeah guys, this is all for my video. As I mentioned, everything is going to be in the description, so you want to click on the link and just go to their site and try their products. You're going to love it. And they are also on Instagram as Discover Pilgrim, like discover_pilgrim. I'm going to put that also in the description, so you can follow them there as well. And you can follow me also on my Instagram page, which is Akanksha_YouTube, to know more about me, to know more updates, and what are the things I'm going to collaborate in future. You will know all kind of updates there. And yeah, with this I'm going to wrap my video, and I will see you in my next video. If you like this video, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so that you're notified whenever I upload a video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.